How to shuffle a deck of Uno cards in Python. How even to shuffle a list in Python. Hello guys! This is day 7 of documenting my learning. Today, let us learn about the shuffle function from random module in Python. This function shuffles the list in place, meaning it changes the original list directly without creating a new list in memory. It can also shuffle any non-empty sequence which is mutable, i.e. changeable. Let me create a Python file first to demonstrate it to you. Let us import the random module. Now, let us implement an example of a sample of deck of Uno cards as a Python list. Now, let us print this unshuffled list first using f-strings. Now, let us shuffle this list using the shuffle function from random module, like this. Since this function shuffles original list, it doesn't return anything for us to put in a variable. Now, let us print the list again, this time shuffled. Since line 7 gets executed only after line 6, the list we print in line 7 is already shuffled in line 6 and not the same as that in line 4. Now let us run this file to see both our original list and the shuffled list. Using terminal, let us run our Python file. See how the list is shuffled? Let us do that again and again. See, in all these three examples, the original list is same, but the shuffle lists are different and they are differently shuffled from the original list and from one another. This shuffle function is very useful when you wanna shuffle something. For more functions and explanations about random module, see my reels, shorts, videos. That's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see the Instagram handle of same name. Thank you for watching guys. Until tomorrow, bye bye.